we'll be discussing about blog commenting. And by the way, welcome to free digital marketing training and internship and provided by 360DigiTMG. Okay, so in today's session, we'll be discussing about the blog commenting submissions. Okay, before discussing about the blog commenting submission, what did we discuss in yesterday's session? Let us quickly recap of day 6. Okay, yesterday we discussed about the forum submissions. Okay, so what do you mean by forum submissions? We need to engage with the ideal customers, right, friends? And one more submissions category we discussed, that is profile submissions. Okay, so in profile submissions, we need to create a profile with the relevant details, right, friends? While creating the profile, we need to mention targeted keyword for the username. Okay, and also we have seen, okay, for social media profiles, we need to add our relevant links and relevant description. In that relevant description, we can also add our targeted keyword. Okay, and we can post our URL in the URL section. Okay, by doing that, Google will give some authority. Okay, in the same way, branding also will improve, right, friends? And we have seen for all these kind of submissions, we need to give relevant keywords or tags in these submissions. Okay, so this is what we discussed in yesterday's session. Now, let us quickly get into block commenting submissions. What do you mean by block commenting submissions? A technique to gain backlinks by commenting on relevant blogs. Okay, so we need to get backlinks from relevant blogs. So if you are missing relevancy, then you won't get higher rankings. You cannot beat your competitor, right, friends? So we should not miss out relevancy. Relevancy is very, very important in SEO, search engine optimization. What do you mean by block commenting? A technique to gain backlinks by commenting on relevant blogs, right, friends? And also helps in engagement and brand visibility. Okay, people will read the block comments, right? What is the process of block commenting submissions? We need to find out the relevant blogs in our education sector, in our training sector, right, friends? We need to find out the relevant blogs and we need to write the meaningful content. Okay, while commenting, it should be meaningful. Okay, so if it is not meaningful, then it's like a spam kind of block commenting. Okay, and non-spammy comments, as I told you. Okay, it should be meaningful, right? And also we need to add our comment naturally. Okay, so if you won't add our comment naturally, then Google will think like a okay, so they are doing some spammy kind of activities in SEO, that in backlink submissions. Then what will happen? They will penalize the entire website, right, friends? So what do you mean by block commenting? Block commenting is a technique to gain backlinks by commenting on relevant blogs. It helps in engagement and brand visibility. And what is the process of block commenting? We need to find out the relevant blogs in our education sector. And also we need to write meaningful content. It should not contain any spammy words. Okay. And while commenting, we need to insert our hyperlink. We need to insert our backlink website URL naturally. Okay. And how can we add link, hyperlink to block comments? For that, we need to use some HTML code. I mean, HTML tags, right, friends? So, how this HTML code will help? It helps create anchor text, and also it will link to our keyword. Okay, and it improves the relevancy of backlinks. What is the example of this anchor text? This is the this is the tag syntax we need to use. It's a less than a href is equal to, this is the target URL, and less than backslash a closing tag. This is a closing tag, this is a opening tag. Okay, so this is the example of anchor text, right, friends? And while commenting the backlink in block comments, we need short descriptions, right? We need some description. So it should not be in a generic way, friends. Okay, the description should be meaningful. Okay, so here we have taken as one example, great article on data analyst jobs in Bangalore. Found it very informative and helpful. The job opportunities and requirements listed will definitely be useful for those looking to start or advance their career in data analysis. So this is the content short description we have taken for block commenting. And what is our target URL? This is our target URL. Okay. Now, how to find these block comments? How to find these relevant block comments? By using search operators. By using search engine shortcuts. Right, friends? Why use search operators? Helps find high quality block commenting websites. Okay, and filters. It will filter particular, based on particular criteria. It will filter and it will give you all the websites. And what are those search operators for block commenting? It's site colon dot dot com in URL colon blog plus, okay, and in double quotes post a comment, and again plus keyword. We need to mention our keyword. That means our industry name we have to mention, like education. We need relevancy, right? Okay, and jobs is a wider term, right? Broad term. We need to mention niche term. Niche means particular category, like data science jobs. That is a keyword, right, friends? So this is one example of search operator. Okay, in the same way, we can have some more, we can try with some more search operators like site colon dot com in URL colon blog plus post a comment plus comment LUV enabled. Few websites, what will happen, so they will enable the comments, and few websites they won't enable the comment section. Okay, so we need to publish our comments. We need to do block commenting in enabled websites, not in closed websites. This is the search operator can be used to search those websites. Clear, friends? Okay. Meanwhile, what you can do is quickly subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn page. Okay, so hope everyone is doing task. By doing this, by finishing the task, you will get 2000 rupees Amazon coupon code by end of this program, and also you will get internship opportunity, right friends? And you will get certificate. That is very very important. You can put it in your LinkedIn, and also you can add that in your resume. And what is the next search operator? It's in double quotes, add comment, your keywords. What is our targeted keyword? Data science jobs. That keyword we can mention to find the relevant block comments. And what is the next search operator? It's inverted double quotes, post comment, your keywords. Means our targeted keywords. And how can we find block comments opportunities in SERP? SERP is nothing but search engine results page. Okay. So while searching for any keyword, okay, you'll be, Google will give you few sections. Okay, that is called people also ask, PAA section in Google. You can also find the comment backlinks in people also section, people also ask section. Okay, in people also ask section, look for blog post. Okay, rank whether those blogs are ranking or not. If those blogs are ranking, means you can take that blog post, and we can do the commenting, that too in relevant blog comments, I mean relevant websites. Okay, we need to engage with the meaningful, insightful content. If you're not engaging with the insightful content, you won't get much viewership for that particular comment. Okay, so if you can engage with the meaningful comment, we can also improve the direct traffic. Okay, in SEMrush, it will show you we need to analyze few metrics like direct traffic, organic social, paid organic, paid social. All these metrics we need to analyze. Okay, and we need to find out long tail keywords to find the, just take long tail keywords and search for relevant block comments, right friends? And quickly check let us get into the task. And how can we do this? Block comments. Okay, for that, what details we required? We required keyword, and we required description, and we required URL. Before URL, we also require anchor text, right friends? What is the anchor text? We need to have this anchor text. Okay, so it's a href is equal to double quotes, and just copy and paste the anchor text here. Okay, and replace the URL, means our targeted URL. Clear friends? This is the tag. Now anchor text is ready. Okay, yeah. What is our targeted keyword? Project ideas for data science. This is our targeted keyword. And what is the description? This is the description. And what is the URL? This is the targeted URL. And what is the anchor text? This is the anchor text. Right, friends? If you have any doubts, you just put the comments in the chat box. We'll clarify your doubts. Okay. Now, quickly, let's open few block commenting sites. We need to find out relevant block comments. Okay, my team has given few relevant block comments. Now let us analyze whether this is a relevant block comment or not. Okay, what is this website name? It's Mr. Science. Mr. Sciences how.com. Right, friends? Mr. Sciences how.com. And what is our targeted keyword? What is our targeted keyword? Our targeted keyword is project ideas for data science. See, in targeted keyword, science is there. Okay, and also here in domain, science is there. Then this is a relevant keyword. Point number 1. Okay, and point number 2 is just read out this blog. Okay, here data mining. Data mining is there. Okay, data science, data mining is a part of data science. Okay, then it's a part of data science concept. So this is a point number 2 to get backlinks in these relevant websites. Now this is completely a relevant website. Now what we can do is we can post our backlink. We can get one backlink from relevant site. Okay, what is the site website name? Mr. Sciences how.com. Okay, when you when you open this website, you will see enter comment. Okay, under enter comment, okay, you need not to log in with the email. Okay, you can also post anonymous and name and URL. Okay, I'll choose anonymous. By choosing anonymous, we cannot edit or delete the comment. Okay, that is the only difference. Now what we have to do is we have to copy our description. Just copy the description and post the content. But here we didn't link our anchor text, right friends? So to link our anchor text, what we have to do? We have to copy the anchor text, and also here what is the keyword we mentioned? Data science, data analyst jobs in Bangalore, right? What is our targeted keyword? Just replace with our targeted keyword. Yeah, now we have replaced with the targeted keyword. Now let us go to our comment. Here project ideas for data science. This is the keyword, right? Just replace with the anchor text and publish. Your comment has been published. Now see, URL also changed. Now this is the live link. Okay, let's see whether it is visible or not. It will take some time, friends. Okay, it will take 24 hours to 48 hours. Okay, and that too we mentioned as anonymous, right? Sometimes this website owner will approve the comment, or sometimes they won't approve the comment. Okay, see all these submissions done by our team members, 360DigiTMG. Okay, when you click on this hyperlink, it will directly redirect to website. See, this is our 360DigiTMG website URL, target URL, right? Okay, see, I just clicked on from block commenting to target URL. Now this will count as a direct traffic. Okay, there is no differentiation factor, right? To differentiate this factor, we need to mention UTM parameters. UTM codes we need to mention. And again, UTM parameters are very advanced concept. Okay, we'll try to cover in future sessions, friends. Okay, and this is how we can do the block commenting. Let us take few more examples. Okay, and yeah, we'll take tutorials education.blogspot.com. So first point, what we need to see, what is our target keyword? Our target keyword is project ideas for data science. Right, friends? We need to read the blog tutorials education.blogspot, and also in the URL 6 best data is there, and data structures algorithm. So this DSA, data structures algorithm, is also a part of data science. Okay, and also data is there in the URL. Here one subdomain is there. They created this website owner created one subdomain under blogspot.com, that is tutorials education. Okay, what is our niche? I mean, what is our industry? Education industry. Okay, so then this is a, you can consider it as a relevant site, right, friends? So this is completely a relevant website. Okay, let's see whether we get an option to post the comment or not. So I guess they have closed the commenting section. Okay, see, in 2022 our team has done submissions. Okay, so here I guess recently they have closed the submission. Okay, so get your URL is there. We need to find out the option to post the comment, right, friends? So but in this URL there is no option to comment the backlink. Let us take one more example. Okay, see, friends, we need to find out the websites by using search operators. Clear? So there is one more website, micro and macro average of precision. Okay, so is this a relevant website? I think so. Okay, and also lot of competitors have done submissions in this website. Okay, that is also a one factor. Okay, so see here, this is the greatest mistake. Okay, they didn't used anchor text properly, friends. That's why the clickable option is not showing. See, we need to mention anchor text properly. If you're not mentioning anchor text properly, it won't take. Okay, now let us post the details. This is the description, and for keyword tag we need to mention, for keyword we need to mention anchor tag. Where is the keyword? Project ideas for data science. Clear, friends? This is the proper way to mention the block comment. Okay, publish. Let's see. And you will see the changes in URL. See, it's, yes, see, URL has changed, right? Okay, and it will take some time. Okay, and we need to mention the, we need to take the live link from this block commenting, and we need to mention our, we need to mention it in Word document or Excel sheet. Okay, so it will take time, friends, to appear on this blog post. Just mention the live link. This is the live link. Okay, and simply you cannot copy the previous someone else link, and you cannot post, you cannot paste it in the Excel sheet. We need to take the live link from the blog commenting link. Clear, friends? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. Meanwhile, you just subscribe to our YouTube channels 360DigiTMG, and also follow our company page, LinkedIn page, and Instagram page, and also Facebook page. Let's analyze few more blog commenting websites. Okay, so this is also a one blog commenting site. Okay, before posting any blog commenting website, we need to see the relevancy factor. If there is no relevancy, don't post. Okay, Google will treat you as a spam website. Okay, that too you are using manual method. And also, don't use any softwares, don't use any black hat techniques. Okay, if you use black hat technique in competitor website, okay, they will be using advanced tools. They will find your IP, okay, and they will file a legal case. Right, friends? And don't use any black hat techniques. See, this is also a one relevant website. Okay, so in this website also we can post our backlinks. Okay, see, all these are all Japanese language. Not sure, yeah, Japanese. Okay, so see, this is also Japan. Now what we can do is, let us take the description, targeted description, and go to this website, post our description along with the anchor text. Clear, friends? And click on publish. Sometimes there is one more option. Okay, one more option is name and URL. Okay, so you can mention your name. Under name, we can give it as project ideas for data science. And what is our target URL? This is our target URL. Right, friends? Just post our target URL. Continue. Let's see. See, project ideas for data science and publish the comment. Your comment was published. Okay, and there is a change in the URL. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to copy this URL and put it in your task sheet. Okay, sometimes take the screenshot. Okay, take the screenshot and also put it in the document. Right, friends? So this is the blog commenting websites. And any observation in this session? There is no observations in this session. And only one observation, we need to properly maintain our anchor text. Okay, if you are not maintaining proper anchor text, then you won't get backlink from that particular website. Okay, what did we observe in yesterday's session? In yesterday's session, people are also engaging with the ads in community post. Okay, community, I mean, community is nothing but forum only. Okay, so in Quora post and all, people are engaging. See here, upvote. Okay, 520 people are engaged with the content in with the ads. Okay, this is a one observation. And also when it comes to keywords, in yesterday's session we discussed about brand keywords. Okay, and also we discussed about naked keywords, naked URL, not naked keywords, my bad. Okay, it's naked URL. And also we discussed about exact match keyword submissions. Okay, so for this exact match keyword, we have given anchor text. right? Now this is a exact match keyword. In SEMrush, it will give you the count. So these many exact match keyword submissions you have, and also these many branded keyword submissions you have. Right, friends? If you have any doubts, you can post it in the chat box. And also shortlay URLs. Okay. Shorten URLs. What are those shorten URLs? It's cutly, bitly, shortly. Okay. Sometimes we can use shorten URL, sometimes don't use shorten URLs. It will expire. Okay. They will have expiry date like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Right, friends? And what about search operators? Let us quickly discuss about search operators. Okay, so we need block commenting sites, right? So these are the search operators. Let us take one example. I'll take this example, post comment in double quotes your keyword. Okay, go to Google. This is Google, and copy and paste your search operator. I will type data science. Enter. Okay. See, post a comment. This is a one. We got one website. Let's see whether this website is allowing. See, post a comment. Now we got one website, right? That to a relevant website. In the URL data science, a complete guide is there. Okay. Sometimes I told you, right? Sometimes this website owner, they will enable the website. I mean, they will enable the commenting. Sometimes they don't enable the comment. Okay. Now what we can do is we can copy our description. Okay. Enter your comments. Here they have given option like enter your comments, and they also given the option of mentioning our website URL and enter your name. Okay, in this type of websites you can enter your real name. Okay, so myself Subramaniam, and enter your email ID. Okay, so this is the official email ID. Post a comment. Let's see, unapproved. This is not approved. Unapproved URL. Okay, this is not approved. They didn't approve our comment because they have closed the commenting option. Right, friends? This is how we can get the backlinks. We can search for the relevant backlinks. All these are all relevant only. All these are all relevant only. Okay. So now quickly let us check one more search operator. Okay. We'll take one more search operator. Again, Google. Okay. So let us post your search operator. I'll take data science jobs. Now this is our targeted keyword, right? Huh. Data scientist interview. Okay, let's open the website. Also, let us open this website. So these are all relevant website only. Okay, see, these are data science, and people are there, right? This is a community website. We can also comment. We can also post our article site. I mean, articles also we can post in this website. This completely a relevant website. And before submitting, what we need to cross check? We need to cross check DA. domain authority, and also we need to cross check spam score. Okay, so spam score should be below 5, DA should be above 30 or 40. How can we check DA? Go to DA checker, just type DA checker on Google and open the website. It's a free tool, website seochecker.com. Copy the URL, okay, and check the authority. See, what is the domain authority of this website? 83. 83 means this is a golden website to get backlink from this website. It's a dave.to. Okay, so in previously we got a lot of backlinks from dave.to. So that's the reason Google is pushing our rankings in SERP, search engine results page. And how many total backlinks this website has? When I say website, this URL, only URL. Okay, that URL has 16,000 backlinks. And what is the percentage of do follow? It's 81, friends. We need to have more and more do follow, right? And also mix of no follow links. And what is the spam score of that particular website? It's 1%. Okay, so this is a gold mine for us to get backlinks. If we get backlinks, this is also a trusted website, right? And also a complete relevance website. See, people are giving relevant tags: Ash machine learning, Ash AI, Ash programming, Ash data science. All are relevant tags only, right? So we can create our account, and also we can mention our targeted keyword while creating the profile account, and let us mention the description. Okay, see, by this search operator we got few backlinks, the two relevant backlinks. Okay, and we should not follow black hat techniques or any softwares. Okay, so this is also a relevant website. Okay, so see, this person is allowing comments. Let's see, let us try to post our details. Okay, website option here, Subramaniam, here email ID. Okay, and what is the target URL? Just copy the target URL. Let's see, comment. Now it's taking us to WordPress website. Okay, now these people are not allowing for to comment the backlinks, to comment the particular section, right, friends? So this is how we can find out the relevant block comment links by using search operators. Okay, and quickly let us check the one more search operator. Just copy the search operator and it's site:.com in URL. Okay, it will search in the URL wherever blog is mentioned, plus post a comment. Okay, and what is our, just mention our targeted keyword: data science jobs. Okay, see, when you open this website with the help of this search operator, it will look for data. Okay, data, whether data is there in blog or not, whether science is there in is there blog in or not, whether jobs word is there in blog in or not. Okay, in the URL. Okay, so this is the blog. In the URL, data is present and also science is also there. Okay, so this is a relevant blog commenting website. We need to cross check whether these people are allowing the blog commenting or not. Okay, you got the idea, right, friends? So this is a way to find out the relevant blog comments by using search operators. Okay, and also let us see one more example. Okay, I'll post my search operator here. Okay, just enter and also enter our keyword data science jobs. So let us quickly check this blog post. This is related to digital marketing services. Dot blog post. Is this relevant to our website? Okay, so this is not a relevant to our website, but this is also a educational blog, right? So this is not a relevant website and it's a educational website. Okay, our industry is also a educational website. So we can consider it as a partially relevant website. Okay, we can post our comment. We can post our URL in this website. Clear, friends? How can we search for relevant blog comments by using search operators? By using search operators, we can search for the blog comments. Okay, before submitting our blog comments, we need to check, okay, whether that is relevant or not. Okay, if it is relevant, yes, go and publish our comments. If it is not relevant, don't publish it. Right, friends? And also we need to cross check domain authority, DA. We need to cross check spam score. What is the criteria for spam score? Before submitting any backlink, it should be below 5%. And what is the criteria for domain authority? For domain authority, it's a it should be more than 30 to 40. You need to maintain that criteria. In this session, did we observe anything? Nothing, right? Only one observation is need to take proper anchor text. Without taking proper anchor text, they won't approve the comment and you won't get any backlinks. They will approve the comment, but you won't get any backlinks. Right, friends? And you will also get assignments to your email ID or LMS access. What do you mean by LMS? It's a learning management system. Okay, so through that LMS, you can apply, you can submit your task and we will evaluate. Right, friends? And in Monday session, we'll take few more categories. Okay, in off-page SEO, we'll discuss about those categories and also we'll try to submit our backlinks. Okay, and we'll recap the entire 1 week sessions in Monday session. Right, friends? All right, friends. Thank you so much for attending the session. Okay. Bye and happy weekend.